Sakichi Toyoda, the founder of Toyota, wasn't always in the car business. His journey began with a fascination with looms. Toyota's invention, the automatic loom, revolutionized textile production in Japan. This innovative spirit laid the foundation for the future Toyota Motor Corporation. In 1933, Kiichiro Toyoda, Sakichi's son, established an automobile department within Toyota Automatic Loom Works. Kiichiro had a vision for motorization in Japan. He believed in creating affordable and reliable cars for the masses. In 1936, Toyota's first passenger car, the Model AA, was born. The Model AA was a testament to Toyota's commitment to quality and innovation. It showcased advanced engineering and design for its time. The Model AA marked the beginning of Toyota's incredible journey in the automotive world. The Model AA was just the start. Toyota had ambitious plans for the future. The company focused on continuous improvement and expansion. It was ready to take on the challenges of a growing automotive market. The aftermath of World War II left Japan in ruins. Toyota faced an uphill battle to rebuild. Eiji Toyoda took the helm. He focused on efficiency and waste reduction. This led to the Toyota Production System, or TPS. TPS emphasized producing only what's needed. It minimized waste and maximized efficiency. Key concepts include just-in-time, Jidoka, and Kaizen. Just-in-time ensures materials arrive precisely when needed. This reduces warehousing costs. Jidoka empowers workers to stop the line for defects, ensuring quality control at every step. Kaizen encourages continuous improvement, fostering a culture of innovation and problem-solving. TPS values efficiency, quality, and employee involvement. Quality and reliability became the cornerstones of Toyota's reputation. The Toyota Crown, introduced in 1955, exemplified this commitment. The Crown was Toyota's first passenger car to be exported to the United States. It quickly gained a reputation for its durability and dependability. Toyota's rigorous quality control measures became legendary. The company implemented a system of continuous inspection and testing throughout the production process. This ensured that every vehicle met the highest standards of quality and reliability. Toyota's commitment to quality extended beyond the factory floor. The company established a strong dealer network that provided excellent customer service. Toyota's focus on quality and customer satisfaction paid off. The brand gained a loyal following of customers who valued its dependability and value. Toyota became known for building cars that could withstand the test of time. With a solid reputation for quality, Toyota set its sights on global expansion. The company's entry into the US market in 1957 marked a pivotal moment. The Toyota Corona, launched in 1957, was specifically designed for the American market. Its compact size and fuel efficiency appealed to American consumers. The Corolla, introduced in 1966, became a global icon. Its affordability, reliability, and fuel efficiency made it a bestseller worldwide. Toyota's expansion continued throughout the 1970s and 1980s. The Camry, launched in 1982, further solidified Toyota's presence in the mid-size sedan market. Toyota's global success was driven by its ability to adapt to local markets. The company invested heavily in research and development to understand the specific needs of customers in different regions. Toyota's global production network ensured that vehicles were built close to their target markets. This reduced transportation costs and lead times. Section 5, Lexus, a new mark of luxury. In the late 1980s, Toyota made a bold move into the luxury car market with the launch of Lexus. The Lexus LS400, unveiled in 1989, was a game changer. It challenged the established German luxury brands with its exceptional quality, refinement, and performance. Lexus quickly gained recognition for its quiet, comfortable ride and advanced features. The brand's commitment to customer service was unparalleled. Lexus dealerships became known for their luxurious amenities and personalized attention. The success of Lexus demonstrated Toyota's ability to compete at the highest level of the automotive industry. It also paved the way for Toyota to diversify its product portfolio. Toyota continued to expand its offerings, introducing SUVs, trucks and minivans to meet the evolving needs of customers. Section 6. The Prius, pioneering hybrid technology. Toyota's commitment to innovation extended to environmental sustainability. The Prius, launched in 1997, marked a major milestone in automotive history. It was the world's first mass-produced hybrid electric vehicle. The Prius combined a gasoline engine with an electric motor, significantly reducing fuel consumption and emissions. The car's unique design and advanced technology captured the public's imagination. The Prius became synonymous with eco-consciousness and automotive innovation. Toyota's early investment in hybrid technology gave it a significant lead in the market. The company continued to refine and expand its hybrid offerings. Toyota's hybrid technology found its way into other models, further reducing the company's environmental footprint. The Prius paved the way for a new era of sustainable mobility. It demonstrated Toyota's commitment to developing vehicles that were both fuel-efficient and environmentally responsible. Section 7. Driving the future innovation and R&D. Toyota has consistently invested heavily in research and development, exploring new technologies and mobility solutions. The company's R&D efforts focus on areas such as fuel efficiency, safety, connectivity, and autonomous driving. Toyota established research centers around the world to tap into global talent and expertise. The company actively collaborates with universities, startups, and other industry leaders to accelerate innovation. Toyota's commitment to R&D is evident in its growing portfolio of patents and technological advancements. The company is exploring alternative fuel sources, such as hydrogen fuel cells, to further reduce its environmental impact. Toyota is also investing in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and robotics to enhance vehicle safety and autonomy. Toyota's forward-thinking approach to innovation ensures its continued leadership in the ever-evolving automotive industry. Section 8. Weathering the storm crisis, management and adaptability. Toyota's journey has not been without its challenges. The company has faced economic downturns, natural disasters, and product recalls. However, Toyota's ability to adapt and learn from adversity has been a key factor in its resilience. During the global financial crisis of 2008 to 2009, Toyota faced a significant decline in sales. The company responded by streamlining its operations, reducing costs, and focusing on its core strengths. In 2011, the Great East Japan earthquake and tsunami disrupted Toyota's supply chain and production. The company demonstrated remarkable resilience, quickly restoring operations and providing support to affected communities. Toyota has also faced product recalls, which it has addressed with transparency and a commitment to customer safety. The company has learned from these experiences, implementing rigorous quality control measures and enhancing its communication with customers. Toyota's ability to navigate crises with integrity and a focus on continuous improvement has strengthened its reputation and customer trust. Section 9. A Greener Tomorrow, Toyota's environmental initiatives. Toyota recognizes the importance of environmental sustainability and has implemented comprehensive initiatives to reduce its environmental footprint. The company's Environmental Challenge 2050 sets ambitious goals for reducing emissions, conserving resources, and creating a net positive impact on the environment. Toyota is committed to reducing carbon emissions from its vehicles, manufacturing plants, and supply chain. The company is investing in renewable energy sources and energy-efficient technologies to minimize its environmental impact. Toyota is also focused on conserving water resources, reducing waste, and promoting biodiversity. The company's initiatives include developing eco-friendly materials, promoting sustainable manufacturing practices, and supporting environmental conservation efforts. Toyota's holistic approach to environmental sustainability reflects its commitment to creating a better future for generations to come. The Toyota Way, a legacy of excellence and social responsibility. Toyota's success stems from its innovative products and the Toyota Way, emphasizing continuous improvement, respect and teamwork. Social responsibility is deeply ingrained in its culture, supporting education, disaster relief and community development. From loom manufacturer to global leader, marked by innovation and excellence. Focus on quality, customer satisfaction and social responsibility.